Launched in 2024 at Bett UK, Tech User Labs were so popular that we're bringing them to Asia for 2025 to meet demand. Tech User Labs are CPD accredited hands-on workshops from leading EdTech experts. Increase your knowledge on current tech products or explore a new product to see if it's a good fit for your classroom. These interactive, expert-led workshops will enable you to level up your EdTech knowledge. Step 1. Register for Bett Asia and secure your free ticket today. Step 2. Download the Bett Asia app. From September 7th, you can pre-register for the Tech User Labs that you wish to attend based on which topics and products are most relevant for you and your availability at the show. Step 3. These are first come, first serve and spaces are limited, so be sure to make your selections as soon as possible from September 7th. And that's it. Once you've registered, we'll stay in touch to make sure you don't miss anything. Any questions in the meantime, drop me an email and I'd be happy to help.